Hi guys, how's your day? Paper cutting craft with Goodman here. You know, this year, 2022, marks the 20th anniversary of the release of Harry Potter's first movie. I have some awesome paper cut template designs about this wizard world, and I think today is a beautiful day to make something magical. If you're a Potterhead who loves paper cutting art, keep watching. Harry Potter is a famous fiction book about an orphan boy called Harry Potter who is chosen from birth to become a good wizard. From finding the Philosopher's Stone to winning the Wizard tournament and defeating the powerful Dark Wizard Voldemort, Harry Potter has gone so many adventures alongside his friends. And now, I will show you how to make this paper cut light box. Grab some cardstock and get started. First, you're gonna need a printer, art knife or a Cricut machine, A4 white paper sheet about 160 to 250 GSM, foam board to make spacers, shadow box frame 22 by 28 cm, depth at least 8 cm, RGB LED strip with power supply, switch on off for the light effect, glass panel or mica, and the last one is a double-sided tape. You can purchase the template on our site lightboxgoodman.com. And don't forget to apply BOGO code at checkout to get 1 month free. In our file, we already arranged layers in order. All you have to do is printing, cutting, and assembling in that order. The layers are reassembled with foam spacers in between each one. I cut out the foam board into spacers with 1 cm wide. There are 4 spacers on each layer. And then I glue the layers together. As you can see, I'm going to glue spacers around the edges of the first layer and then glue the next layer on top of it. Make sure the layers are properly lined up. Repeat this process until all the layers are glued together. Put the mica into the box, then I push layers, which are glued before, until they touch the glass. Don't forget to clean the glass from the inside, because you won't be able to remove the layers without ruining them. Next step, glue the LED lights into the last page paper. If it's possible, using 2 different colors LED lights will make it more beautiful. And don't worry, the possibility of overheat and catch fire is infinitely close to zero. If you are wondering how many ways to skin the LED lights for more stunning light effect, let me know and I will do the tutorial in the next video. Finally, this is the finished box. What do you think about it? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more. Thank you for watching.